Tom carefully prepares a delicious sandwich. The sandwich is complete: cheese, chicken, and lettuce stacked high. Tom places his masterpiece on the table. He leaves to grab a drink from the fridge. Mr. Whiskers spots the unattended sandwich. The cat jumps onto the table silently. Mr. Whiskers quickly devours the sandwich. Tom returns with his drink to find an empty plate. He spots Mr. Whiskers sitting innocently on the floor. "Mr. Whiskers, did you eat my sandwich?" The cat slowly turns away and burps.